Alright, y'all, I got a big ass box right here. What's in the box? What's in the box? What's in the box? I'm gonna tell y'all. So I'm going to be doing an unboxing of the GVM 150W light kit that I got off of Amazon. What? I look like a brand new girl. Now let's do 75. We're not gonna get to 100 just yet. Let's do 75. Let's see what happens.
Know that you are loved, even if you don't love yourself.
Welcome back to Styling by Sarah. I appreciate y'all being here with me. Like, I really do appreciate y'all being here with me because listen, y'all know editing YouTube videos is not easy. So the fact that you tune in, you a real one, and I need you to stay here with me. So if you have not subscribed, please subscribe to the channel. Okay, we are on the road to 2,000 subscribers. 2,000 subscribers is the goal, okay, y'all? We need to get 2,000 subscribers. So if you are watching this video right now, please subscribe. Please like the video as well, so more people can know about my channel. We need to step up our content creating. So this is a light, okay? I bought like a professional light. So I saw the girlies posting all these lights, like the ones from TikTok, all the phone light, all that stuff. Like, yeah, that's cute. But I'm really trying to get paid to be making people content. So I thought, you know, I have a professional camera, but it doesn't, the fact that you don't know I have a professional camera because the lighting is not the best. This is the light without any light in the room. This is just like light from outside. Now I have turned on the living room light, not the one to the side, the living room light and my kitchen light. It's not really too much of a difference. This is the lighting I was working with. So I was like, you know what, let me step this up. Let me step this up, okay? So this is not like a portable light, but this is for like just in-home videos that I will be doing. So I do a lot of like get ready with me. I do a lot of unboxings. I do a lot of just content in the house. Yeah, I'm a traveler, but I be in the crib, to be honest. I be in the crib. That's one thing y'all need to know about me. I be in the crib, sleep. Okay. We got the first box. Ooh, this looks nice. This is real professional. So we got, this is the light. This is the light, the actual light. I'm gonna take it out the bag. There's another plug. I'm assuming this attaches to this one. This is where the lantern is and the stand. Wait, it comes in has a bag. Oh! Ooh! Why do I keep doing this to myself? Let me show y'all a clip. This is what about the fact that I did this the last time I was trying to set this up? What is wrong with me? Alright. So this is the stand. Ooh, okay. It's just a regular stand, you know what I'm saying? How the fuck? See, this is the shit. I gotta figure. Oh, it's this way, right? How do you? I'd be so confused about this, but I'm gonna just hold off on this for a second. Because there has to be a way. I'm sorry. It didn't come with instructions? What the fuck? Let's see. I'm the type of girl. What the fuck is this? Yo, I'm so confused. Where's? Okay, this is the bag for the lantern, but I thought I could have sworn. How do you? Where's the instructions, y'all? Okay. Okay, it does come with instructions. I was about to say. What am I supposed to be doing? All right. Oh. It shouldn't be this complicated, but it is, y'all. So if you were having troubles with the feet part, you just gotta like push down on this circular thing that was just up here, and you push down on that, and then it will work. And I'm just gonna put this back. So I guess you have to take this, there's this little screw. There's this screw thing that's right here. So you have to take it out. The fuck, can I even put it back? And then you would put it back in to keep it in place. I'm just tightening it. I don't think the height matters, but yeah, just really. Okay, so this is the actual light. Says, please remove the protective cover before using. So this thing is really like, god damn. How? Okay. So if you want to remove the cover, there's this little button right here that you press down to remove it. This shit is complicated. But look at that. That look expensive. That's that expensive shit. Okay. So there's all these like switches in the back. There's a on button. There's this part for, I don't know what this part is for, to be honest. I'm assuming this is the intensity, and then the little screen for all the like settings. I just moved it closer so you guys could see what I'm doing. So this is the back of it. This is the plug to connect to an outlet. So I would connect this part here. It's like 3 dots in it. To this area here. Bruh, if I had a boyfriend, I'd be like, babe, set this up for me real quick, cause what the fuck? Okay, we got it, y'all. All right, and then this is the part that's going to be attached to the wall. So I'm plugging this into this. Okay, y'all, so I should have been recording, but I was having trouble with trying to figure this out. And I don't even know how to take it back out. Like, this shit is complicated. You guys see that, right? See that? And then you see how these have it has 3 corners. 1, 2, 3. And this also has 1, 2, 3. You guys can see it, right? So I am going to now attach it to it. Okay, and then I lock it in place. Ooh. All right, now I'm going to connect it to my phone. I'm gonna read the instructions to figure out how to connect it to my phone, and then I will plug it in, and then we'll see what it looks like, what the video looking like. Okay, so the instructions, again, this is no light, but the instructions say to scan the QR code on the back of the manual. So each of these kits should have a manual that comes with it. So I have to download the app by scanning the code. Okay, so now I'm going to plug in the light. So you guys most likely are gonna see the difference once I do that. What? I look like a brand new girl. Now let's do 75. We're not gonna get to 100 just yet. Let's do 75. Let's see what happens. Okay. Okay, now let's just do the whole 100. Cause this right here It's giving like, you think my walls are like, got no stains on it. God damn. Let's do 100. Okay, this is 100%. All right, so this is like max blue, right? It's like the blue light or the white light, I don't know. Maybe the white light. Let's see what happens if we change it to more like orange, like yellowy and orange light. Ooh. Ooh. Okay. I think I like the blue light. Like, I think I like it looking like, yeah, this is top notch. This is exactly what I wanted. This is what it looks like when I take off the lantern. So I don't know if there's like a difference in terms of like how I won't lie, the difference is that this shit is making me blonde without it. But maybe there is a difference in terms of lighting. But yeah, I took off the lantern. So here's it right here. So this is what it looks like without the lantern. Let me know if you guys think it's more brighter in here with the lantern or without it. I'm assuming without it is probably making it brighter, but I can't see anything when I do it like this. Okay, this is what it's like when there's no light, and this is what it's like when God said, let there be light. Let there be light. So yeah, I'm coming different. All the next videos you're gonna see, there will be great lighting. The lighting will look exquisite. It will look expensive like this, okay? I appreciate you guys watching this video. If you want to get this light for yourself, definitely click the link in my description box to get it on Amazon. I'm just sharing with you guys what I'm using, and hopefully it's helpful for you guys in your journey. If anyone needs a light, if they're a creative, a content creator, or anything, a business owner, like, light is essential to just scale up anything that you're creating. So yeah, this is the light I'll be using now, the GVM light kit. Subscribe to this channel, y'all. Stay with me, okay? I need you to stay with me. Let's keep growing, okay? I appreciate you guys, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.